even smarter than we think. It turns out that leaves, seeds, and petals are positioned to optimize growth and survival. This is called phyllotaxis. What makes phyllotaxis fascinating is its mathematical foundation. Many plant arrangements follow numerical and geometric sequences. Rooted in biology and mathematics, phyllotaxis reveals patterns that are both stunning and functional. Whether you're a seasoned illustrator or just starting out, phyllotaxis offers a gateway to creating art that is both scientifically accurate and visually compelling. If you want to explore the complete picture, check out the full article at www.thescientificillustrator.com.